Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kim. I know I didn't do an intro on my last video, so I'm trying to do an intro now. Your girl is a little scary. I be acting scary. See, I don't even be knowing what to say. I get a little nervous when I'm on the camera. And I got a little one back there sitting down looking at me. So it's kind of awkward, but we're gonna push through. Yeah, so this is a weekly vlog. That's kind of the vibes that I'm going with. Today's Sunday. We just got back from a birthday party in Hackensack. It was a cute little party. We went to Urban Air. Bella got to jump around with all her friends, so that was fun. I bought a shelf, which I'm so excited for, and I'm gonna build it. Your girl is Bob the Builder. Am I gonna build it? Yes, because I'm a woman and I can. Obviously. I'll show you my desk because I changed it up a little bit, and I kind of want to show you what I'm working with and what I'm updating and what I'm fixing in the place so you guys can see what the vibe I'm going for. I do like disco balls. I have a bunch of plants. I have a vinyl record. That's Cleo So in the back. I love her and I love all her vibes and everything. I just want to be like, oh yeah, that's my house. And I have disco balls everywhere because when the sun comes in, I want it to be like a party in here. But I'll see you guys later. This is what I'll be using. I'm gonna put it all over my face and I'm just gonna go in with my hand. Halloween was great. We had a great time. I'm glad it's over. And now, what are we moving on to? Thanksgiving. I'm hoping that a couple of my friends do Friendsgiving so that I can record and attend that because I don't want to host this year. I'm changing up a couple things in my apartment, so I feel like the house isn't ready to have guests over. I want to make sure that it looks nice and it's decorated exactly how I want. Maybe not exactly, but you know, I'm not hosting this Thanksgiving. My sister is, so we're going to South Jersey. I'm gonna let it sit, then I'm gonna wash it off, and I'm just gonna relax. This product from Tropicals, yeah. I have eczema on my lips, and this thing hydrates my lips so much. So I like to wear it. And that's it. That is my skincare. I'm putting castor oil on my eyebrows. Feel like I'm losing pelo, like right here. I don't know why that's like that, because that used to never be like that, and now all of a sudden my eyebrows look crazy and I don't like it. This portion of the video, I will have Marshall stuff that I want to show you. I have Anthropologie, I have a little bit of Old Navy, and like one thing in Target that I purchased that I want to show because these are the type of videos that I like watching. I want to see, what do you got? What do you like? What stores do you shop in? Because if you like it, I might like it. First off, Old Navy. I got Bella some bachata shoes and they are so cute. Look at them. I love these for her. From Target, I've been using this and I actually like it. It's pretty good. It smells delicious. Now we're going full-blown Marshall. Hot chocolate spoons. Bella wants to make hot chocolate. Some of them are peppermint and some of them are marshmallows. Keeping up with like the winter Christmas spirit. Got shower curtains for 17 bucks. And these are gingerbread. I got Jax. I have a dog. He is a Belgian Malinois. The Halloween toys were on sale for dogs, so I got him this. He'll destroy it in like 2 seconds, but that's why I bought it on clearance, because it was $4.50. The last thing I got were socks. One thing about me, I don't care what season it is. When they're on clearance, I'm gonna buy them. These were $3. These were $3.50. That's what I got in Marshall's. Now, I got a couple cups. Look at how nice. I think this was 16 bucks. But you know what? My iced coffees will go there. Whatever I'm drinking, it's going in here. And I love it. It's so pretty. So last year, I got Anthropologie's holiday mug. So this one's the one I got last year. Also, I didn't even know they were like limited edition. This one I don't think they even make because I bought the new one that is for this year and this one wasn't even there. But let me show you. This one's New York City, Statue of Liberty, just absolutely beautiful. Now I'm gonna show you the one that was for this year. It says Love and Happiness from NYC. This is this year's collection. Mira que lindo. So pretty. It says Love and Happiness from NYC. I'll be using both for this holiday season. I think they're so cute, and I'll probably start collecting these because this was last year's and this was this year's, and they're both different. They're not the same, and I just love them. And I'm a mug girly, so I'm gonna buy all the mugs. Ay, casi se me cae. Love it. Oh, and let me show you the detailing on it. If you're my best friend and you're watching this, I advise for you to look away or skip the video or don't watch this part. So Margot, please don't watch this. We started this tradition, I think 3 years back, and I think this is gonna be our 4th year. We get an ornament of what reminds us of each other for that year, which I think is super cute. The first year she got me a ramen ornament, which I absolutely love. I have a Game Boy ornament, a Monstera ornament, and then this year, you don't know, I got her a greenhouse, a yoga mat, a mushroom. Those were the 3 ornaments. And now this year, this is what I'm getting her. Look at how beautiful. It is a glass blown evil eye ornament. As soon as I saw it, I fell in love with it, and I'm like, she needs this. And because I know her so well, I know she's gonna love it. And because I know me so well, I bought myself one too. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. So we got matching ones. So that's all I bought as of now. So here's the shelf that I just built. I started a gallery wall. I still need to put more frames on this side, but I wanted to make sure that the shelf was here before I started this because I wasn't sure how far apart I should go. I also have this over here. Don't mind the bats because that's gonna be going. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.